This video will explain how I found a better way to latch my gate. This is the conventional latch for gates. I found them to be very poor. They just don't work. They come out of alignment and the gate can't be latched. Furthermore, the problem is trying to open it from either side can be a problem unless you put in a drawstring. And this is a bungee cord I attached to the gate post, through the gate, and to the back side of the gate. This method allows me to open up my gate from either side and to lock it from either side. This means the gate will stay closed all the time. This is a demonstration of it in use. I'm going into the backyard now, close the gate, latch the bungee cord on the other side. And now I'm going to come back through the other way now. So unattach the back side, grab the other end of the bungee cord, go around, latch it on the back, and pull it through the gateway and latch it again, and there you're done.